it's Kelly. How are you? I'm the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. I want to welcome you to our channel and to today's video where we're saying hooray! School is going back eventually somewhere. We're all confused. Leave me a comment below and let me know where you are and when your kids are going back to school. I'm doubly confused because my son's doing a hybrid of all different subject and year levels this year, and it's just, yeah, some here, some online, some on campus. We're brain dead already. So we're going to do some frugal lunch boxes because it's going to be that time again soon to start packing. So I thought I would share with you some of our household favorite lunch boxes. Let's go. So I've just got a selection of things here from that we had around the house, and these are all the things that my children like to eat even though they are older, and I thought it would just give you guys a bit of an idea of what you can put in there. So the first thing is popcorn. It's a great crunch for the kids, or you can get some kernels and pop it yourself. Same with carrot sticks. You can also chop up celery if you have it. Got some pretzels from NQR. Got this honey ham. It's from Coles. It normally comes in a pack of 4, as you can see, individually wrapped. We just opened one. Got some lettuce. I've got LCMs again from NQR because they're on special and they're a great value pack. Belvitas, they're great for a breakfast snack. If your kids don't eat breakfast, at least they have something, or for recess. Got some eggs. You'll see those in a minute. Got some Shape biscuits. These are great as well for the crunch factor. I've got some normal cheese. I've got this yogurt. We don't eat it, but I just grabbed it for a visual to show you guys. But we do like this Laughing Cow cheese. They come individually wrapped. And of course I got it because it was on markdown. Moving over to our carbs, we have multigrain bread and multigrain wraps because they were on special. I've got a chicken breast, apples, and some kiwi fruit to round out the fruit portion. Okay, moving on to lunch boxes. I've got 3 different ones here. I got a cute little Peppa Pig from an op shop to sort of for reception, grade 1, grade 2. Then I've got an insulated lunchbox that I picked up from Savers for a couple of dollars. I thought this would be really great for primary school children. Trying to open it one-handed was fun. And you've got a spot also to put your name in, so hopefully it doesn't end up in lost and found. And another lunchbox that's pretty good for high schoolers, again from Savers for $1.99. So op shops are a great place to be able to find lunchboxes and drink bottles if you need. First thing I'm doing is just chopping up the chicken and grabbing a couple of eggs because I'm going to boil and cook them so they can go inside our lunch boxes. With the chicken breast, I just put it in some water and added some veggie stock there. breakfast lunchbox, we have a basic cheese sandwich. You could do jam or you could do Vegemite, traditional Aussie. I've got some carrot sticks and some popcorn as well as the yogurt. I've also thrown in an apple if they have fruit time or shared fruit, whatever's happening these days. And I just put some biscuits there as an idea. You could chop and change if you needed to. Moving on to primary school, we have a ham and cheese sandwich. I've got a kiwi fruit that I've cut in half just to make it easier. Don't forget the spoon. Carrot sticks, pretzels, an egg, an LCM bar, and an apple. Again, you can pick and choose between different things if you need. High school is a chicken wrap, kiwi fruit, spoon again, the Belvita biscuit, got an apple, I've got an egg there and some pretzels. Kids will tell you whether it's too much food or not enough food. You'll quickly work it out, but I hope that this gives you an idea across the range. Well, there you go, guys. I hope that gave you a few ideas and some inspiration, sort of covering from youngest to oldest. I only have 2 children, but thinking back about when my kids were at school, and I chatted to a few other mums about what they're kind of doing. And there's so many rule changes about taking fruit to share and then now not sharing fruit, and having peanut friendly schools and other stuff like that. So I know that some foods on the back of the packets may contain nuts because it's in a factory. So you will need to make up your own decision. And of course you can pick and choose stuff, whatever your children eat, from the snacks and celery sticks and sultanas. I just used things that we had around the house because I just wanted to put it all together for you guys and give you a video. Put it this way, by the time I finished filming my video, all the food kind of disappeared in here, so obviously they were good lunch boxes for our household. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and yeah, leave me a comment below, as I said, where you're from and how is school gonna look for you guys, and also what do you normally pack in a lunchbox, because you can get ideas from other people that leave comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We would love to have you as part of our Frugal Fun family. You can also join us in our Facebook group. All the links down below, and as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!